Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. I've got Beauty Big Bang XL-036 today. I'll be swatching this plate out for you. It comes in a cool little envelope for shipping. I'm going to peel off that blue film and we're going to clean this plate off and jump right on into some swatching. Here we go. So today I am using the Funky Fingers white and black for stamping. It's not a stamping polish, but they work so well. Highly recommended if you've got a 5 Below near you. This is another gorgeous plate that has a bunch of lacy images, a bunch of mix and match, and I'm really liking that. Instead of just, the same design carrying on, they've kind of added, like this one, it's got like 3 layers. So cool. So we're just going to swatch on through these. If you hear some crunching in the background, Cotton has decided he wanted to eat his bone today, so we're just going to let him rock on and do his thing. At least he's not eating the furniture. I really like this one too with the flowers going across it. It's got like big fishnet at the bottom and little lace up at the top. Love it. And this one with the flowers and the lace, very pretty. And this one you could point it in either direction. I think I ended up doing it upside down. Who would know but us, right? So there we go. We're going to pop on another one. Gorgeous. I will be showing at the end of the video up close pics or a little movie clip of these images on the swatches. There we go. It's got like a Z in it. Z. Really cool designs though, and this one right here is one of my favorites on the plate, and I didn't even really know it until I did it. But if you got some bling going on underneath, just barely peeking through those little holes, oh how pretty. So here we go with another gorgeous image. This is another favorite. Very pretty. And this plate is just picking up excellent. I'm not having any issues with any of the images, but it's kind of what I've come to expect from Beauty Big Bang plates. They're just made so well. I don't get paid by them to say that. I'm just telling you guys, personal experience. I find myself reaching for these plates all the time from Beauty Big Bang. So here we go with our last swatch of the day. So I will have a link for Beauty Big Bang down below. If you want 10% off your order, you can use my code PACK, P-A-C-K 285. So here are the swatches. I'm in love with all of them. So many cool combinations. So many beautiful manis you could come up with this plate. Love that one in the corner. Digging it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I would love for you to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this stamping plate. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.